Here we will write a Python program to display uppercase character from a string. First in comment line we will write. We will do this using function. So first we will define function print upper with one parameter test string. Then we will use for loop. So for character in test string, first we will check whether the character is space or an alphabet. If it is an alphabet, we will check whether the character is uppercase or not. So first we will check if char not equal to space. We will check whether the character is uppercase or not. For this we will use isUpper function. So if char dot isUpper, we will print the character. So print char. Then outside the function we will accept the string from the user. So str1 equal to input, enter string to check, and we will call the function print upper and we will pass str1 as a parameter value and we execute it. I will enter the string. It will print all the uppercase characters from the string. If we want to print it on same line, we will use here print char comma end and we will give space as a separator and we execute. I will enter the data. It will print all the uppercase characters from the string on same line.